The new Voyah Free range extended mid-size SUV has now hit the global market, replacing all other trim levels. Currently, it can be purchased with a single version with EREV with 490 horsepower, a CLTC range of 1,211 km and a 0 to 100 acceleration time of 4.8 seconds. As we can see, the new Voyah Free has changed its face. As a result, its front end has a more aggressive bumper with large air intakes and a front spoiler. Moreover, its headlights are now integrated with an LED unit that runs along the grille. Speaking of the grille, it has also been redesigned. It has shrunk and lost all chrome plating. The new Voyah Free also features all black 5-spoke discs. As for the appearance, it looks very interesting. Its appearance clearly has sporty notes, but without any aggressiveness. The lines even feel elegant and light, which is achieved thanks to the low aerodynamics and smoothness of the body. In front, a compact radiator grille with an interesting filling and an open stamped profile that gives visual dynamics attract attention. Optics are presented with LED filling and have an interesting shape, although there is no futurism. The door cards are completed with retractable handles. From the rear, the Voyah Free has also been slightly redesigned. Its rear has a sportier roof spoiler and bumper. As for the rear light blocks and other details, they have not been touched. It should be noted that Voyah Free looks the same from the side. Here we will remind you that Voyah Free is a fairly large 5-seater SUV with dimensions of 4,905/1,951,645 of a millimeter and a wheelbase of 2,960 millimeters. Despite the fact that the crossover has received a large number of assistance and appropriate suspension settings when it is possible to increase ground clearance, it is very city car. On the other hand, it can show its best performance outside the city, although it is better not to risk it in serious off-road conditions. At the same time, in the city, it demonstrates excellent dynamics and maneuverability. In addition, there is good management. You can enjoy a smooth and even ride on the highway, if you want, accelerated to maximum values. In general, you can feel a small rush from the speed at short distances. The new Voyah Free is available only in the EREV version, which has a 1.5-litre turbocharged ICE on board with 150 horsepower. It does not transmit torque to the wheels. Instead, it acts as a generator, charging the battery or transferring power directly to the electric motors. Speaking of electronic motors, two of them drive the Voyah Free. The first of the rear axle has 272 horsepower and 410 Nm of torque. As for the second electric motor, it sits on the front axle and has 218 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque. Talking about the total power of the new Voyah Free, it reaches 480 horsepower and 720 Nm. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds. As for the maximum speed, it is 200 km per hour. The battery of the new Voyah Free is triple from CATL, NMC. Its power reaches 39.2 kW/H. As a result, the Voyah Free ICE is capable of driving up to 210 km on a single charge. However, its combined range reaches a CLTC range of 1,221 km thanks to a 56-litre fuel tank. This is a huge increase from the previous version, which was capable of driving up to 960 km. As for the interior, it has a redesigned central tunnel. The 2024 model year version got a cleaner look with two wireless charging pads, a pair of cup holders, and a smaller set of physical buttons. The gear selector moved from the center tunnel to the steering column. Speaking of the steering wheel, it remained the same, 3-spoke and D-shaped. It has a triple screen with three 12.3-inch monitors in its central tunnel. There is another touch screen for the passengers in the second row. Inside, technology and comfort reign. All in all, you wouldn't expect anything but premium class. Finishing uses only high-quality materials. All this provides additional comfort. The center console is designed as standard, a huge touch screen and some neat air conditioning vents. Comfortable seats ensure comfortable sitting. The crossover is equipped with many modern options. In addition, the car has an extended safety package and a number of electronic assistants. In general, the list of options includes high-quality leather chairs with heating/ventilation and massage functions, as well as electric drive, adaptive headlights with LED charging, 20-inch alloy wheels, digital dashboard with high-quality information display, infotainment complex, wireless interface, navigation module, climate control with 2-zone management, 14-speaker audio system, a set of airbags, a roof with a panoramic view, adaptive cruise control, blind spot control sensors, traffic sign identification technology, functions ABS, EBD, ESP, TCS, HSA, etc., voice control support, lane monitoring, parking assistance and more. In terms of safety, the crossover is at the highest level. An extensive package of protection options is available, including seat belts and airbags. In addition, the body structure provides high rigidity. Voyah Free is equipped with ABS, EBD, ESP, TCS, HSA, etc. Includes options such as there are electronic assistants and other technologies that monitor both the car itself and the road situation in real time. At the same time, you should not rest, maintaining vigilance and attention.